Unicraftrs, welcome back. Today I am going to be doing some dominoes. So I did it and it didn't really work. So I'm going to do a time lapse of me making it and then I'll show you it ending. That's it. I hope you enjoy. Let's get right to it. Okay, so I got it done. It took a while, it broke a lot, but here it is. Like this. And I'm going to put it in slow-mo for you to see. This part right here at the tower did not work, but the rest did, so I'm going to call it a success. And that was it. So, yeah, that's all for today. Bye, see you next time, Unicraftrs. Also, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell down below so you know every time I post a new video. That's all for today. Bye, see you next time, Unicraftrs.